Yarbolu 8858D. A new compact hot air gun. This is how it arrives when you order it from temu.com. In the package, a small manual, a spare heater with an integrated temperature sensor, different nozzle sizes for different types of work, a magnetic stand, the heat gun itself and the control unit, all nicely packed. The air gun connects using a 4-pin aviation screw connector, very convenient. There's also a small power switch located next to the connector. Attaching the nozzle to the heat gun is simple. It uses a push and twist system. Now, to avoid boring you too much, let's jump straight to me trying to measure its output temperature. First test. Heating up a small thermocouple sensor, the same one you saw in my HP ProBook repair video, link in the upper corner. It worked flawlessly, but the highest temperature I could measure was around 105 degrees Celsius. That might be inaccurate since the gun was set to 250 degrees Celsius, but I wasn't convinced. So I switched to a thermal camera, and again, I couldn't capture the peak temperature set on the control unit. Of course, I'm aware that the actual hot air can be much hotter than the nozzle surface itself. So I decided to go real-world, desoldering components from a complex board. What you're seeing now is the Yihua 8858, the one I've used almost daily for the past 7 years. Review video link in the upper right corner. Watch the temperature reading on the screen and how difficult it is to desolder this MOSFET. Very hard. Now, I set the Yarbolu to the same 400 degrees Celsius and try removing a slightly smaller transistor, much faster and easier than before. This tells me Yarbolu looks and performs like my old Yihua. It shares the same model number, and I bet the control unit electronics are also the same, but I'll save that teardown for another video. Only if you show interest by commenting below. In summary, the Yarbolu looks good, works well, and is affordable. Link in the description. If the build quality is even half as solid as the Yihua, it could last for years. Want to see a side-by-side comparison of the control units between the 7-year-old Yihua 8858 and the Yarbolu 8858D? Comment below and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you soon.